everyone. So we are in the Lake District at the moment, up in Cumbria, in Skelwood Bridge, with me and the team, and with Cameron and Lucy and Rebecca and loads of dogs as well. And we're just starting to do our filming for the, we're not quite sure what it's going to be called yet. It could be rural sketch course, or countryside sketch course, or landscape sketch course, or it could be tree sketch course, sketch course, or field sketch course, or dog sketch course. Yeah, and we're just about to start our filming. And the first thing I'm going to start with is three sketches to can help me to work out what it's going to work. The weather is gorgeous, it's a little bit windy, but the sun's out, and the landscapes are just stunning. These two behind, not the dogs, but the grown-ups, they're just not interested in sketching at all, they're just interested in dogs. It's like doggy heaven. I'm working, Cam's working. Obviously, Lucy, you're working as well because you're holding the camera. So there's two cows in the field over there, and one cow turned around to the other. I'm really worried about this mad cow's disease. And the other one says, I'm not bothered about it at all. So the first cow says, why are you not bothered? And the second cow says, because I'm a penguin.
I don't get it!
So we're still in Langdale, and Pete's just about to get run over by a car, shooting down this lane, and the sun's come out, the rain has stopped. We're about to start the pre-sketch. Cam's just finished his second pint. Was it your second one or your third one, mate? I can't remember. Was it third? Yeah, so there's going to be a bit of a wobbly camel coming up now. But the point is, the microclimate here up in Cumbria is incredible. It's 5 minutes ago, it was pouring down with rain, big stormy cloud, it's now shifted, and the sun is just amazing.
Reference it back quickly and say, yeah, what a difference 5 minutes makes.
Yeah, okay.